Hi, Miss. My name is Alexander. Week 9, that's assignment. How is your life on campus? Um, how is the industrial engineering carried going over there at their Tarapoto campus? Hi, I'm doing pretty well. Although some things is a little hard because there are a lot of projects, most of them are practical, which I like. Most of them are practical, which it light and how it for you. What is he like to study life at the Lima campus? Uh, Studying life is very interesting, but there is a lot of reading. At the Lima campus, there are few law students compared to other majors, but most are very competitive because we have to study hard to stand out. What subject are you taking this semester? I am studying statistic operation management and process design. In general, operation management is the most difficult because it requires a lot of attention to detail. But it is also the most useful. And you, what are you studying? Uh, this semester, I am taking constitutional law, criminal law, and civil law. Normally, criminal law is most challenging because there are a lot of cases to analyze, but it's my favorite subject because the topic are really interesting. Whoa, criminal law sound intense. Was are you class like? They are quite challenging. Most of my professors are very good. Out I have one who is very strict because he requires us to read a lot. But I like it because I feel like I am learning a lot and your professors. My teacher are also demanding some have us a lot of homework, especially in operation management, but they really prepare us well for the job market. I have a professor who always explain everything very clearly, which help a lot. That's great. Do you have time for extracurricular activities, Renzo? No, not a lot, but I am part of the Technology Innovation Group. We work on interesting project that helps my Apple what I learn in class. Do you do anything outside of class? No, not much right now, but I am thinking about joining the debate club because I enjoy debating legal issues. I also focus on reading and homework because they take our everything in going well in your study. No? Then you too good luck with your industrial engineering project, the car. Uh, thank you. That take care of yourself too. Thank you, Miss.